Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you the Also Ombre Designer Series paper pack from Stampin' Up's Sale-A-Bration 2021 brochure. This starts on January 5th and goes through the end of February. This designer series paper pack is actually 48 6x6 pieces of designer series paper. There are 12 each of one double-sided design in 4 different colors. So I know that sounds kind of confusing, and that's why I'm here to share with you the full spectrum of this ombre paper and everything that you get. So you're actually getting 12 each of these sheets here. So it's a lot of the same paper, so you can get some great looks out of this paper pack. And I'm loving that ombre look. I wanted to share with you this designer series paper reveal so you could see the full 6x6 sheet of designer paper rather than just that little swatch in the corner that the catalog provides. The colors used for this is Bermuda Bay and Rococo Rose, so that's these two, and then Blackberry Bliss and Granny Apple Green for these two. So I'm going to go through and show you the full sheet of it, and you can let me know which one your favorite one is, and I'll let you know which one mine is at the end. Are you guys loving this paper as much as me? I know I feel like I say that about all of them, but of course I always get my favorite packs to share because I love flowers and bright colors and things like that. But I also am loving this color combination. You guys know how much I love pink, and I totally wouldn't have thought to put Rococo Rose with Bermuda Bay. Even though they're like separate, they're still like a great color combination to create together with, as well as the green and purple. Granny Apple Green, I almost would have thought would have been too bright to use with Rich Raspberry being so deep, but I super am loving that too. I think I'm actually loving like the ombres better than the ombre polka dots, or circles if you want to call it that. So I think these probably are my favorites. Of course, this is one of the sets that you can earn for free with a $50 order here in the United States during Sale-A-Bration January and February 2021. So you can start shopping for that on January 5th. I'm also doing a lot of other designer series paper reveals of Sale-A-Bration items, as well as the January to June 2021 mini catalog. So don't forget to check out that playlist that I'll leave at the end. And of course, check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of great inspiration and ideas. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Happy stamping!